In Java, I am taking topic classes, objects and methods. Java is a simple language. Why it is called simple? Because so many concepts which is C and C++ are included in Java. So you people already learned C language. Some extra functionality should be learned in Java. Okay. Here, C is a procedure oriented language. So procedure oriented means that is large program is divided into subprograms are called as procedure oriented language. Okay. Java is a purely object oriented language. Object oriented language means large program is divided into what are called as objects. So objects having its own behavior, identity and status. So each objects will communicate with each other. These are all basic concepts of object oriented programming, and introduction to Java is studied in previous classes. Okay. Now we study about classes, objects and methods. Then what do you mean by classes? Classes is a user defined data type. You know the data types. So we studied in C language, int, float, char, struct, union. These are all data types. That is, user defined data types are also there, and also primitive data types are there. But class is a user defined data type. So it is also defined as it is a collection of similar type objects. So class is a collection of similar type objects. So we can also define class is the process of building the data members and associated methods in a single unit. This single unit is known as class. So class is a wrapped up of or encapsulated into that is data members and associated methods in a single unit. Okay, so what do you mean by data members? Then data members of a class are also known as attributes or a properties. So attributes are also called as data members. So you already studied in DBMS, that is DB. So data members of a class are known as attributes. So you studied entities in DBMS, right? Each entity is having their own attributes. So here attributes, what you studied in DBMS, similarly in Java language we create a classes. So each class having their own attributes. So attributes are nothing but a properties. For example, we having a class called fruit. Fruit is a class. So fruit having its own attributes like fruit name, fruit color, fruit id, so on. So like that we having another example, we having a class called book. So book is a class, so which having its own attributes like book id, book name, book author name, book publisher name, book price, so on. So the data members are nothing but a different type of data, so which is in classes, so which are nothing but a properties of a particular class. So next we study about methods. So what do you mean by methods? Methods are nothing but a functions which you studied in C language. In C language you are working with only methods itself, right? So that is function itself. So function are nothing but a set of executable statements or instructions. So here in Java language we call function as methods. Okay, methods are nothing but functions, but here we write the methods inside the class itself. So inside the class we see both data members and methods. They are also called as member methods. So methods of a class are also known as behavior of the class. So behaviors or accessories. So behavior, that methods will represents the behavior of the class. A class in ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, that is behavior. For example, get book information is a method which tells that it will accept that it will initiate the datas of the class book. That is initiation means that is there are some attributes. To that attributes we should store some datas. So that storing the data is made by these methods. That is get book information method will do storing the data of the attributes. Okay, then next function we see the display. Display is a method which will display the information of the book, that is information of the book means book id, book name, author name, that is attributes information is displayed through the display function. So functions will represents, that is behavior of the class. So class having both data members as well as member methods. So methods will tells the behavior, data members will tells the properties of the class. So if, I am given one example. In real world application, the description of the class can be expressed in the form of class name, data members and methods. Example, defining or expressing a class book with suitable data members and methods. That is, book is the class name, book id, that is bid, b name, author name, p name, and publisher name, that is, and book price. These are the attributes, and get book information and display as the methods. Okay. So here in object oriented programming, we see two categories of methods. One is member methods and non-member methods. A member method is one which is available within the scope of a class, and it can access the data of a class, and it can